Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. Today is Thursday. So, as you know, on Mondays and Thursdays, we'll talk a little bit about psychology. Then we'll get into what the trade setup was for the day. And after that, what we can expect for tomorrow. तो आज ना मेरे को ऐसे चीजें पे बात करनी है, something known as quick money. चलो आओ, let's have a conversation about it. तो क्विक मनी का मतलब क्या? क्विक मनी का मतलब ये है कि आजकल यंगस्टर्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, because of social media, we want to become rich quick. And I'm talking about the trading profession. क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट का तो टाइम होराइजन ही बहुत अलग है. There you can't become quick very soon. But in trading, people are wanting to become quick, very rich, very very quickly. इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. And which is the reality. रियलिटी क्या है? डेटा क्या बता रहा है कि ज्यादातर लोग ये प्रोफेशन में, ट्रेडिंग के प्रोफेशन में लॉसेस ही करते हैं. सो नियरली 93, 94 और इवन 95% ऑफ द पीपल आर मेकिंग लॉसेस. तो शुडंट इट बॉदर यू गाइस कि दिस इज समथिंग वेयर वन नीड्स टू study about this. One needs to work very hard to come into that 5% category who actually make money. So, ये कुछ तो ऐसे गिटार किधर तो बजना चाहिए, कुछ तो एक वायर क्लिक होना चाहिए कि यार एक्चुअली ये एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है जहां पे लोगों का लाइफ सिर्फ बर्बाद हो रहा है. When you think about it, when 95% of the people are making losses and 5% only are making money, then how can you have an expectation कि let's make quick money in this market? जल्दी जल्दी पैसा डालते हैं और अपन अमीर हो जाएंगे. आज 100 रुपए पे लिया, कल 1000 हो गया. यार ये कैसे पॉसिबल है on a consistent basis? इट इज नॉट. आपको पता है हम कसिनो में जाते हैं तो कसिनो में एक हाथ दो बार, पहले बार तो प्रॉफिट हो जाता है. उसके बाद आप कंसिस्टेंटली कसिनो जाओगे तो आप लॉसेस ही मना के आओगे ना, बिकॉज द कसिनो विंस ऑलवेज. सो हियर वी हैव टू पुट इन सो मच एफर्ट दैट we have to study, we have to make a lot of observation, and with a lot of discipline and good risk management, then you can come into the profit making category. Chalo, let's have a look at what happened today. We discussed about a couple of scenarios yesterday. One was a bearish scenario and one was one bullish scenario. But what was the bearish scenario today? That the 61.8% of this overall rise should break on the downside. The market didn't even come close. So why should one be thinking of shorting this market? That means that इसका फेलियर, ये कैंडल का, ये पूरे दिन का फेलियर तो हुआ नहीं है, तो शॉर्ट करने को क्यों देखना है? What about the long scenario? We discussed the long scenario that the day has been overall a big positive day, right? Bank Nifty had gone nearly 1%. So what we wanted was a significant move on the higher up, a 3-minute pullback and then a breakout, right? यहां पे तो मार्केट गया ही नहीं है ये लेवल पे. So what does it make today's day? Should one have taken a trade here? there is so much of volatility. Should one try and find a trade in such a market? No. One should be very, very, very patient and should have a lot of conviction in your strategy. So today has been another day which has been a non-trading day. It's been how many days? Nearly, I think, 4 days where our system has not made us take a trade and just saved the capital. So, tomorrow is very, very interesting because of this. Now, if you look at an hourly chart for tomorrow, this is what I like currently, where this is an up move and this is a kind of a pullback. I love this kind of setup where the pullback is a bit shallow. So for going long on the upside, what I would want is price just sustaining above today's high. What do I mean by sustaining? I would want price to go here, even consolidate for 6-7 minutes and then look to break up. That would be good enough and a valid setup. What about on the downside? The downside, yes, the possibility is it can go on the downside as well. But what we have to remember is we have to remember this buying. So this buying has come. So until the 61.8% is broken tomorrow on the downside with a 3-minute pivot like this, there would be no setup to short. Now, if something like this happens or something like this happens, that is when we would get a valid trade entry. What if another day the market stays even narrower like this? इसका मतलब क्या है? Don't trade. A big trade is coming on the way. A setup is going to get formed, and that would be good. So having patience in your strategy is real key, because now it's been nearly 3-4 of very troublesome days for day traders. Very, very troublesome. In that, if you have saved your capital, that means you are on the right path of trading. You have to learn defense before attack. You have to learn to stay on the pitch, I mean a cricket pitch, a bit longer before you start scoring your runs. So have patience. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.